There is a smarter, faster way, and it is already changing everything. You are a small business owner, sitting at your desk late in the evening. Papers are piled everywhere. Your laptop screen glows with a video editing timeline that seems to stretch on forever. Your eyes are tired, your coffee is cold, and you still have hours of work ahead of you. Sound familiar? If you have ever tried to create video content for your business, you already know how overwhelming it can feel. What started as a simple idea to promote your product or service has turned into a full-time job all on its own. You did not start your business to spend endless hours learning video editing software. The clock reads past midnight, and our entrepreneur is still hunched over their laptop, eyes straining against the harsh screen glow. Empty coffee cups line the desk like silent witnesses to another exhausting night. Sound familiar? This is the reality for countless small business owners trying to compete in today's content-driven world. You film your footage, then spend hours cutting clips, adjusting audio, adding captions, and still the final result never quite matches your vision. Meanwhile, your competitors are flooding social media with polished professional videos that seem to appear effortlessly. The truth is, most small business owners spend hours editing just one single video. That means less time serving customers, growing your business, and actually living your life. Video content is no longer optional in today's market, but the traditional way of creating it is simply unsustainable. There has to be a better way, and thankfully, that better way is finally here. The game has genuinely changed. Picture this. A business owner, calm and confident, sitting in a bright and organized workspace. No clutter, no stress, no mountain of coffee cups. Just focus, clarity, and a laptop screen showing something remarkably different. Instead of a complicated editing timeline, there's a clean, intuitive, automated video generation interface right at their fingertips. The energy in this scene feels completely different from what we saw before. This isn't someone grinding through the night just to produce one piece of content. This is someone who has discovered a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to work. The shift is real, and it's already happening across industries. Vid.ai does not just assist with video creation. It completely automates it, from start to finish. Imagine opening a single platform and watching your video come to life right before your eyes. No editing software, no design skills, no technical headaches. Just a clean, futuristic interface doing the heavy lifting for you. With Vid.ai, you simply input your content, and the platform gets to work immediately. Captions appear automatically. Visuals are generated in real time. Scenes are assembled with precision, all within seconds. What used to take a skilled editor several hours now happens almost instantly. The interface is sleek, intuitive, and built specifically for business owners who need results without the complexity. One script truly becomes many powerful videos. Imagine taking one single script and watching it multiply into a library of videos, each perfectly formatted for a different platform. That is exactly what Vid.ai makes possible. With just one piece of content, you can generate videos ready for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram all at once. No extra recording sessions, no additional editing hours, and no need to start from scratch every single time. The platform intelligently adapts your script into multiple formats, adjusting length, layout, and style to match each platform's unique requirements. Think about what that means for your business. Instead of producing one video per week, you could be publishing across 3 or 4 platforms simultaneously, reaching completely different audiences with the same core message. This is not just convenient, it is a complete transformation in how small businesses approach content creation. The montage opens with a life coach sitting in a warm, welcoming home office, smiling as she records a motivational video using Vid.ai on her laptop. The scene cuts quickly to a real estate agent in a modern office, generating property tour videos effortlessly with just a few clicks. Next, we see an online teacher in a bright classroom setting, using Vid.ai to create engaging lesson content for her students without spending hours on production. Finally, a service provider, perhaps a plumber or electrician, sits at a simple desk, easily producing professional promotional videos for their local business. Each person looks confident, relaxed, and in control. The transitions are smooth and energetic. reinforcing that Vid.ai is not built for one specific industry, but for every ambitious business owner out there. No matter what you do or who you serve, if you have a message worth sharing, Vid.ai helps you share it powerfully. Time is your most valuable resource as a business owner, and Vid.ai gives it back to you. Now picture the complete opposite. A clock spins rapidly across the screen, seconds ticking by in a blur, while Vid.ai quietly works its magic in the background, generating polished, professional video content automatically. And there, watching it all come together, is an entrepreneur wearing a genuine smile, clicking publish with total confidence and zero stress. No late nights, no frustration, no wasted hours wrestling with complicated editing software. This is what working smarter actually looks like in real life. Vid.ai compresses what used to take an entire exhausting evening into just a few effortless minutes. The contrast could not be more striking. Smart businesses use artificial intelligence. Smart businesses use Vid.ai. Within seconds, the screen lights up with engagement notifications, likes, comments, and shares flooding in from a growing audience. This is not luck. This is strategy. Vid.ai is not simply another software tool collecting dust in your digital toolbox. It is a genuine competitive advantage that forward-thinking business owners are already using to stay ahead of the curve. While others are still manually editing footage at midnight, smart entrepreneurs are letting artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting. They are showing up consistently, building trust with their audience, and growing their brand without burning out. The businesses winning online today are not necessarily the ones with the biggest budgets. They are the ones making smarter decisions about how they spend their time and energy. Visit Vid.ai, start your first project, and experience what it feels like to create faster, smarter, and with total confidence. No more late nights staring at a cluttered editing timeline. No more sacrificing hours just to publish one video. With Vid.ai, you have everything you need to create professional, engaging video content in minutes, not days. Whether you are a coach, a real estate agent, a teacher, or a service provider, this tool was built for business owners exactly like you. The workspace does not have to feel overwhelming anymore. It can feel clean, focused, and full of momentum. Every script you write has the potential to reach audiences across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram simultaneously. That is not just efficiency, that is a genuine competitive edge.